Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can fix your iPhone screen flickering. Well, there can be quite a few reasons for this, so let's dive right into it. So first of all, you can simply try to quickly restart your phone. Sometimes quickly restarting your phone might fix these kind of glitch. So even after restarting, if it's still not working, then you might want to get to your settings. And from your settings, you'll have to tap on accessibility. So after doing that, here tap on display and text size. From here, you can see the option of reduced transparency, right? So you'll have to make sure that it is turned on just like this. So after making sure that it's turned on, here scroll down a bit, you can see the option of reduce white point. Make sure that it is turned on just like this, and it should be in the range of around 60 to 70%. Just like mine, I have 62%. And here you can see auto brightness is currently turned on. You have to tap on it and make sure that your auto brightness is turned off. So these were some settings that you can try in order to fix your screen flickering. And if it's still not working, then you might want to try to upgrade your iOS, for which get to the main settings. And from your main settings, tap on General, from which tap on Software Update. So after doing that, here you'll get the option of Update Now or Denied. If there are any kind of update requirement, here you can see I am currently up to date. You can also try to turn on your automatic updates in order to stay up to date. And yeah, that is it. These were some few steps that you can try to fix your iPhone screen flickering. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.